I'm back and I'm gonna do some meal prep. This way it'll make my week so much easier. You guys know I like to meal prep like small portions, not for a full week, because I like my stuff to be fresh and not old, you know, like mushy old food. No. So 2 to 3 days is about as good as it's gonna get for me, and honestly, because I'm like lean bulking, I eat more anyway, so it really doesn't last me 3 days. I'm lucky if I'll get to the 2nd day by dinner time. So I'm going to do a tuna protein pasta salad. So I figured since it's so hot outside, having a cold meal option that I can just scoop into a bowl, amazing. So I'm gonna show you guys that. I hope I have enough pasta. This stuff is so good, like 10 grams of protein for 2 ounces. So I'm just gonna cook the whole box and meal prep my tuna. And I picked these up from Trader Joe's, the wild skipjack tuna, hand cut and hand packed premium tuna. I've never tried this, but I've had this for a minute and I figured it'd be easier than having a can. I'm not sure if there's liquid in here. My whole purpose was so I don't have to strain it. Yeah, there's no water or oil. So this is straight up protein, 22 grams. Baby, that's what I'm talking about. So I've been into more like seafoods and like plant-based protein meals. So I'm gonna let my water boil and I'm gonna make a snack. I don't know about you guys, but I get hungry waiting for food. So I'm gonna make myself a green smoothie because I got mango today. So we're gonna use a NutriBullet and make this smoothie, get some micronutrients into our day, which is what I've been doing a lot recently because my skin has been loving it, my body has been loving it. Great for inflammation and better digestion, not being bloated, also getting in my nutrients and my vitamins for the day. And also I just like having fruit in the mix because it just makes me feel alive. Something about it, like the water dense foods, we love it. So I'm gonna get my ingredients out for that and show you guys what I put in there. So we got a banana, got my ingredients, because it's not gonna be a boring green juice. We're gonna spice it up. I wanted to make a reels so that you guys could have it for easy access of my recipe, but I'm gonna make this, actually I have orange juice. That'll be the vibes. Oh my gosh, so embarrassing. So I have this like single serve because I went to Chick-fil-A one morning for breakfast and like, this is how bad I used to be. Is this expired? Oh, okay, this expires in September. I would go there for breakfast and I would also go the same day for dinner. But for breakfast, I would get 2 meals. I'm talking 2 drinks, 2 sandwiches, 2 hash browns. That is why I gained a lot of fat and I was looking at a hot mess. So we gotta stop that real quick. So I'm gonna put this to use and make it as a base instead of doing water. Make it more of like a tropical green juice. So I picked up some mango at Target today. I think this was like $2.99. Mango can be expensive, but the Target brand is so good for frozen fruit. You can get big bags of them. I always get big bags of blueberries, 10 bucks. Amazing. And then I'm also gonna add banana for some extra calories and some carbs. And also it just tastes really good. Something about banana with green powder, so good. And then for my greens today, I'm gonna use the Oxy Greens in the pineapple. The pineapple, you have to do it with the pineapple. They have like a berries based one, but this one is so good if you're gonna add like the tropical vibe. So this is what we're gonna do today. And if you guys wanna pick up the Oxy Greens, highly recommend this. It tastes like juice. All of them are so good. You can use my code KATEN at checkout to save. But this has been like a game changer for me, especially with my fat loss journey right now, because I'm not the biggest like vegetable person, but I'm learning to love veggies and like micronutrients, like fruits and stuff. But this has like acai berry in here, goji berries, and blueberries for the antioxidants and the prebiotics, which are super important for having good gut health. There's just so many amazing benefits to this. And like with the vitamin C, like the kiwi, like all of it is just so good. You would just never know. There's like broccoli and like a bunch of greens that I just don't eat in here. So we're gonna throw that into a blender and blend the thing up. It's gonna be so good. I'm gonna make a reels, so you guys are just gonna have to watch from afar. I'm sorry, I cannot do both at the same time. Why is making a reels so difficult? Sorry, I look so greasy, but I finished my reels. Perfect fit. I also love that I don't have to add spinach, like fresh spinach, because I just never have that in the fridge. Because baby, everything is in here from the powder. So cheers! You guys definitely have to try this recipe out. It's so good, like when it's so hot. Like all I literally want is like cold foods, icy foods. Oh my god, it's the freaking pineapple. It tastes like a tropical smoothie. And the banana is so filling. And it's the orange juice. It adds something different. You could totally do this with water. So good. Don't be asleep on these freaking greens powders, man. I call this my glowing green smoothie because it's glowy up in here. Okay. Now that we have our snack, it's time to move on to this protein pasta, and the water was like evaporated by the time I finished. I'm gonna taste the pasta and make sure it's ready. This actually cooks really quickly, I think because it's like chickpea based. That's good. So what I'm gonna do is get like a meal prep container, and hopefully you guys can see me. We're going to just get out the noodles without the water. You could totally just make your life easier and use a colander, but I'm not washing a colander. That's not what we're about to do. This is my meal prep for the lazy folks. Minimal dishes, simple ingredients, high protein, and budget friendly, because that's just what we love. Tuna, so cheap. Pasta, so cheap. And I know y'all already have mayo in your fridge, so couldn't get easier than that. I'm not sure, because I don't have enough pasta, if I'm going to use both of these tuna packets, but each one is a serving, so I'll probably use both and get like 2 meals out of this. Now this is really for the lazy people, because you don't even need a can opener. So I'm already here for this. I feel like there's more that comes in a can. Am I tripping? Because I feel like a can of tuna is at least 30 grams of protein, and this is only 22. So 2 plus 2 is 4, but something's not adding up. Yeah, next time I'm gonna just use a can, because I just feel like you get more. And that's it, you guys. Need a little more salt. That's gonna be so good when it's cold. So that's the first thing I'm gonna make. And I just defrosted some ground beef. So we're gonna go ahead and whip that up right now. This is gonna be a 1-pot meal prep, so get into it. Today we're using EVOO for our asparagus, and I just seasoned mine with salt and pepper because I don't like a whole lot going on with my vegetables. That's just me, but season it to your own liking. And make sure you cut off the ends so they're not all chewy and gross. Nobody likes chewy veggies. So I'm gonna saute these until they're nice and tender, not mushy or overcooked. Season it with Old Bay. Throw some pepper on there. and a little bit of salt just to keep it super simple. Old Bay is kind of salty, so I don't do too much. Bro, I put a little too much oil. We're gonna get 2 meals out of 1 pack of beef and then 1 pack of veggies. They definitely cook down quite a bit. So just keep in mind how many days you're trying to meal prep for, and then just plan accordingly to that. And then also whatever portions fit your own body goals. Picking up my ground beef right now, and that's so easy. And you know what? I'm over here doing the math. This is so affordable. This whole meal prep is probably under $15. I want to say like $14 and some change, because I just went on the website on Target and put all the ingredients and added up the price for you guys. So affordable. That is like how much I pay for 1 meal at Chipotle. So put that into perspective, how more affordable it is to cook at home, and this isn't just for 1 meal. So remember that. We have pasta salad, and then we have 2 ground beef veggie meals. Amazing. If you want rice, definitely add that. I haven't really been eating a whole bunch of rice these days, so I've been loading up more so on my veggies, which I'm not complaining about. So let me know what you guys like to meal prep in the comments below. I'm probably gonna reach for one of these before the gym. I don't know. I really wanted this, but it's not cold. Should I put it in the freezer for like 2 seconds? I'm not sure. Y'all hear that? It's storming, the lights are flickering. I'm not really in the mood to go to the gym.